This Tuscan chicken pasta is one of my most popular recipes, and for good reason. It is so easy to make and is the perfect balance of creamy, fresh, and indulgent. First, let's prepare the pasta. I'm going to take half a pack of linguine and boil until al dente. Next is the chicken. I've got 4 chicken tenders here. I'm going to add salt, pepper, cayenne, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning and massage it all in. Now pan fry this in olive oil until it's cooked through and seared on both sides. Once the chicken has rested, you're going to slice it against the grain. This makes it easier to cut into it with the fork. To the same pan that you fried the chicken in, add 2 tablespoons of butter and then fry about 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic until it's fragrant. Then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sun-dried tomato and 8 chopped cherry tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes start to soften. Then add your seasoning. So I'm adding salt, pepper, and chili flakes, as well as 1.5 cups of milk, half cup of cream, and cook and stir until the mixture starts to thicken up. Add 3/4 cups of grated Parmesan cheese and half cup of reserved pasta water. Add some chopped spinach and basil leaves, then add the sliced chicken from earlier, as well as the pasta. Mix everything together and then your pasta is ready for you to enjoy. So good. This is what I was missing in my life.